come on in. No charge for looking. Hi, I'm Denise. Welcome to Denese Souvenirs and Craft, right here at the Kingston Craft Market, 1 Pechon Street, downtown. I've been in the craft market for over 19 years. I started first as an employee and now I branched off, so this is my shop. My journey started out, I was placed here by a job placement agency. Yes, where I worked around the front for approximately over 10 years. I liked it so much. I like interacting with the customers. I like the products that we're offering. And of course, I'm a people person. I like to entertain, I like to smile with them, and we have some discussions about the island and all of that. So I liked it so much that I pursue a shop for myself, and here I am today, and I'm still loving it. This is me, this is just me freely. I like selling items, I like introducing Jamaican items to people overseas, I get a buzz from that. And even though it's tedious at times, because sometimes we have all these goods and no shoppers, because most of us sell the same thing, so sometimes that's a little challenge, but it's good so far and I'm really liking it. And for this season, we're hoping to get some sales in. We cater for foreigners, we cater for our own Jamaicans. Most of our sale comes from our own Jamaicans. So this is one of my favorite items in my store. My best seller actually, the Jamaican leather bags. So they're handcrafted nicely, the shapes well done. You understand? Also there's Jamaican leather slippers to match it as well. Now this is one like a leaf. Call this the leaf. So just to show you how we Jamaicans are talented. So that always gives me a sense of joy, because we're offering our best product, a little piece of Jamaica, to people outside of our country, and that's always a good thing. What I really love about our culture is this, as our mother said, out of many one people, we are loving people. Wherever we go, we fit in. You understand? People tend to gravitate to us, gravitate to our patois. I see Chinese struggling to speak it. I see Japanese struggling to speak it. It's always a joy. You understand? I love that about us. It's my most favorite thing. So we're inviting one and all, Jamaicans, non-Jamaicans, to come to the Kingston Craft Market. We have a wide variety of stuff down here. Look, we have clothing, we have bag, we have sauce, we have coffee. We have our whole little rum doll. There are a wide variety of stuff you can make for gift items, you can take for yourself, and we have the best price, because where else can you go and tell the people then I want a discount? Yes, so come on down.